Ang hilaw.
Ano ba na
Mga karancho, ali naman ko sa buong. Luto ta spaghetti. Pero may twist nga tamis kay gusto sa bata ko.
Requested.
Tikin ang lantam is butangan sang
May-
sweet smile.
Ay, hindi na kayo nag-vlog mo.
Ay, sorry.
Kaluto man niya si Bree.
See, I don't usually do this with long nails. So, especially when we get close to the end of the banana there, I keep wanting to cut my nails.
Maybe cutting it is a sign.
Yeah, make yourself
Banana
useful
pudding,
and throw that
yeah,
stuff
yeah.
away.
Guro mo kayo daw pangit.
Si Ibil ka vlog man. So, ikaw yung i-vlog ko yun.
No, I didn't bowl. The bowl, Louie, the bowl.
Mga karancho, kapit na lang maluto ang spaghetti ala Chito.
Malasin mo ang nubya na Ibil ka Bree. Vlog mo.
Si Bree nag-vlog mo sa piyak ko.
Ano yan niluto tayo?
Gobra sa yakwan ng banana pudding
Dessert.
ala Atlanta.
Hindi na magambala na eh.
Chopping them up.
Okay.
Softening them.
Damo untang hotdog according to
Not
mo.
just for the pudding.
Request na nila kay daddy nila. Mga spaghetti, Filipino style ko, no? Dad, daw MATULUTAM is ang balang Ibil, di ba?
Oo.
These bananas are pretty green, dang.
They're supposed to be like more.
I personally like them when they're out there or whatever.
Okay,
But I
ano
don't
pa da?
think
Not
it's
good
really.
for power for the.
Okay, Noy, matiibla Noy, ho? No, Noy.
I was just about to say, I don't think you'll really be able to notice once it's like in the pudding
Yeah.
and stuff.
And probably once it like settles. I don't think you're gonna cut your nails. I just don't think it's gonna happen.
You're not gonna have to worry about getting my nails done next week.
Smart po siya. Kaya naglakad kami sa Walmart na makalas ng mga ingredients. So, banana pudding iyaya. Ang kay Chito iyaya spaghetti. Yung lalaptapang awang nga pinamakala.
All at once.
Pati lawon, yagi ko no sa Ibil sang ginhimo. Yung banana pudding. Iya pa ko ni tatay na recipe.
Would that make you feel better? You cut these bananas? Here you go, cut the bananas, Lily. Cut the banana.
Papa! Sa buwas na kami, ma. Live stream. Ay, naginahimon ang reperto ako. Gapakin sulat pa lang. Sulatan pa lang. Papang! Ayos papang, oh. May ano, bihon. Gaulat ang treadmill, oh. Ang living room ni Permi lang wala ni tao. Nobody stays here at the living room. It's always the kitchen. Ari pa mga pinamakal.
Oh,
Lapta.
yeah. Cardboard in there somewhere too.
I'm disappointed. I thought these knives would have like, you know how like a thing that tells you what kind of knife they are.
Oh,
Those are pictures. So look it up.
yeah.
Binablog man siya na Ibil.
We're due to look it up.
Himo saya sang banana
I dropped the
pudding.
nanner.
It's running away. It's getting away.
I dropped the nanner.
It's alive.
We got a runner.
You got a roller. So what's the next step after bananas?
We mix the sweetened condensed milk, the pudding, and the regular milk all
banana.
together.
Should I get the milk?
Sure.
Just put milk
Get
there?
wait. Get the lemon juice too, because I gotta. That's gotta soak in the lemon juice.
Who taught you how to how do you call it? Make or do pudding, banana pudding for you?
It's my dad's recipe. Yeah, so he taught me.
Put the lemon juice. No, lemon juice is right there.
Oh, never mind. I don't need you to get the lemon juice.
Oh, look, I got it.
Ah, thanks, Louie.
Let me throw this up. Let me butter it in.
Assistant sa Bill. Tidi na imo Bill nga vlog Bill? Ah, it's ongoing. To siya kaliyo. To siya kaliyo.
Bananas are done. Louie, there's an extra one if you want to eat it.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Hee hee.
Oh, wait, there are pictures of the knife.
GoPro siya kaliyo kakuha.
Now it's my favorite part.
Oh, never mind. Not it.
Look familiar?
Mm-hmm.
So you basically just want to put enough so that all of the bananas will be able to soak in the juice. And then we gotta mix it around too.
Seryoso, bisa sa'yo.
All
Kuya,
of the bananas.
ano na iwas spaghetti?
I'm good.
Get some juice.
Luto na ne?
Oo, hindi po. Wala pa
Tilawan
bakal.
di tatay kay base kung asin,
May
tamis.
naasin ba? Ano mag-asin?
Ha?
Yeah, the angle.
Diba gamay lang gulo para
What about this one?
Timpla, doon na naiyak pa, no?
sa
Sa botilya.
oh, okay.
You know, patented for good measure. No other reason.
Inabot ang ako asin ng ano.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's pretty nice and mixed. Now we are going to put it in the fridge to chill.
Na may ginigali lang
Get
ga mag
those bananas nice and soaked.
vlog ka mo nga duha ka mo.
Hindi, hindi, not here. On the other side, it's more,
You should probably put it on the other side because
Yeah.
this fridge. You
more
know,
stronger.
That's fine.
Stronger.
we're gonna close that fridge and we're gonna take it over there.
Yeah.
Okay. You.
Ah, nga gini ka
I'll
mo
find a-
partner.
I'll find a room thingy.
Should be
But
la
I
only
want to teach you. That's the thing. Also, you missed bananas.
It's your fault.
You know what? I don't like this attitude today, Louie. Louie's being mean.
punish him. Punish him
I
tonight.
have permission to punish you. Bad. No bad.
Bad boy.
Okay. Now, vanilla pudding. Changing this. Do you have a measuring cup?
Ano
Do
gani
you have a
measuring cup ta?
We do everything by eye. That's the problem.
Oh my god.
Ano na siya, measuring cup.
Hindi may ara ano man. I cannot remember that we have.